What does bedtime mean? What does bedtime mean, Layla? What does bedtime mean? That was the iPad.
No, it's bedtime. Layla.
Right. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. This is what you get some nights. Hey, go. There's no point even telling her anything because she won't listen. She's in one of them moods as a dog. Hey. Right, that's it. That's it. That's it. You're going to sleep now. I can only put it to as having kids. I haven't got kids. But if I did have kids, they'd be easier than this. I'm trying to watch a movie. And then she just started this. She's going outside in a minute. I'm sleeping in the kitchen.
Bedtime, Layla.
Get off. Right, that's it now. You're getting boring. You're going outside, back in the kitchen. Famous box of pounds. Right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Tell me that we're not the only one with a boxer dog that does this. Heidi, she's asleep. Are you possessed? Are you possessed? What are you doing? Get down. Hey. Right, that's it. Right. Right. Nope. Okay. I'll just wait for people to tell me how badly trained she is and how she's not listening to comments and commands. Own a boxer dog, you will find out. And a good night.